Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for the ChatGPT. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to sign up to ChatGPT, then the process is quite easy. Open up a web browser first and in the URL box type in openai.com/blog/chatgpt. Press enter on a keyboard and you'll end up in this OpenAI website. Click on the Try ChatGPT button at the bottom left hand corner and on the next page click on the Sign Up button in order to register or create a new account for ChatGPT. To create a new account, you'll need to provide an email address, or you can also continue with your Google account or with a Microsoft account. In the Create Your Account page, go ahead and enter an email address that you have access to. Or you can also continue with a Google account by clicking on this option, or with a Microsoft account. If you want to create a new account right away, quicker, in my case, I'm going to provide an email address. While typing in an email address, make sure to enter the email address you have access to. Once you're done, click on I'm not a robot. Now complete the CAPTCHA and click Next. After you're done verify, click on the Continue button on the next page. You'll need to create a password for yourself. Enter the password which is at least 8 characters long. After you're done, click Continue. Now you need to verify your email address that you provided. Click on the link that is provided in the display and it will take you directly to the email that you have associated with OpenAI. Click Open the inbox that you received and click on Verify Email Address. Once your email has been verified, you'll need to go ahead and enter by the details about you. Type in your first name and then your last name and click Continue. Select your country from the drop-down. Type in your phone number, click on Send Code and enter the code that you received via SMS on a mobile number. Make sure to type in the correct code and it will take you to a next page. Go to the on-screen preview in order to know how you can use ChatGPT, and once you completed the tour, you'll be able to see that you have successfully signed up for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a new tool from OpenAI that allows you to have a conversation with a chatbot. All you have to do is type in your text in the text box and click on the Send button. To receive your information, you receive information about any inquiry. You type from questions to statements. That is how you can easily create a new account or sign up for a ChatGPT. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.